Hey, my name is James Baker, and this question is from our last Ask Me Anything AMA that we do in our Discord server. It's free to everyone. These are free calls. I do them every week, every Thursday, because I can't answer everything on the channel, but I want to answer as many questions as possible, and I want to create content, and it's a fun way to answer questions, create content, and do that. So if you have questions that you don't really know how to answer, click the link below in the summary and join the Discord channel, join the Telegram. We'll tell you when we're going live. I'll answer your questions, and I'd love to, help you out. Okay, and subscribe to the channel because obviously I'm putting the clips here. That's great, and let's just go straight to the question here. What's up? I think someone just joined. If you have a question, comment. I'm answering group questions first for people here live. Let's put these up higher so I can make my video. If an LLC buys used phones from a consumer and sells to refurb companies, they need to collect sales taxes. Did I answer this one last time? I feel like I answered this before. Do they need to collect the sales tax, and or would they need a resale certificate to be exempt? You don't need to. Do you need to justify that? So if you are buying goods, I explained this to my team earlier today. I'm going to explain who needs a resale certificate and how the resale certificate works. So you need a resale certificate when you are buying goods from a US-based wholesaler generally for reselling them. Sales taxes are only imposed on the ultimate consumer and the ultimate user of the item, of the product. Sales taxes are generally only imposed on the sale of products, not on the sale of services or on digital products, on the sale of physical products. So a resale certificate is to tell a wholesaler or someone you're buying from that they should not charge sales tax to you because you are going to resell that product to the ultimate consumer. And that's why it's called a resale certificate. So that's like the 1-minute explanation on how sales taxes and resale certificates work. It's actually quite simple. And now we can keep going and make it more complicated, but each state has its own rules in regards to basically everything. But in regards to sales taxes and the thresholds of when you need to start collecting and filing sales taxes in those states, you need to register in a state to get a resale certificate in that state, and not everyone and not every a wholesaler who asks for a resale certificate will accept a resale certificate from any state. Sometimes they want a resale certificate from the state where they are based. And what else can I share about this? Once you register for a resale certificate, then you have to file sales tax returns in that state ongoing for while you have it active, based on how the state says you have to do it. And the last thing I wanted to note here is that for people, and this is all e-commerce, right? It's sale of products. If you're selling on Amazon or Walmart or eBay or Etsy or now Alibaba, which probably was no one from here on watching this, you don't need to really worry about sales taxes because the platform is going to withhold the taxes for you based on the shipping addresses. Actually, Alibaba is, I'm sure there's ways around it because a lot of them are wholesalers. And all those platforms, actually, if people give you a resale certificate, the platform manages all of it. So it's really great, a really big benefit of selling on the platforms. And that's basically the 2-minute explanation of how sales taxes and resale certificates work. This is a great little snippet that we should turn into an article and a number of videos. How is crowdfunding, crowd investing managed for accounting purposes? Well, money that comes in would be considered a donation. Money that goes out is classified in whatever category expenses that it comes in. I don't know if it's a donation or a sale. It depends how you're doing it. If it's crowdfunding, and there includes like a pre-order, like it is on the crowdfunding apps, then it's basically like a sale. If it's crowd investing, then it's everyone owns a little bit, and it's like an equity contribution. So that person, they would own a little bit of the company, and they would have equity, and the money coming in isn't a sale. But if it's crowdfunding and you're actually selling something like a pre-order, then it's a sale. Depending on your accounting method, it's not recognized as a sale until you deliver the product. So if you do the accrual method of accounting, you can defer it until you actually deliver the product. So that's probably what I would recommend It also depends on your company type and all that. So once you set up a crowdfunding account and you collect a lot of money, let me know and we can figure out the answer for you specifically. Hey there. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more of this stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to interact with me personally and join our weekly free calls that we have on the Ask Me Anything on Thursdays generally, click the description below and join the Discord and join the Telegram. I look forward to interacting with you and helping you grow your business, be more successful, and make more money. Thanks for being here.